You could have told me.
You always take it too far.
You like my hair? I'm actually getting ready to go to Kelso races today. Robin's just done my makeup. And it's a Sunday morning. It is 11 o'clock. We're getting picked up at 12 o'clock. And I'm wearing a white suit today. I'll be putting some footage up of the Kelso races. Just going to brush this hair out because you must brush the curls out, I've been told. My socks. Nobody wants to be in the video but me, so when everybody's had a little Prosecco or a little champagne, then I'm sure they'll be quite happy to get videoed. So let's see. Okay, that's me ready. I got the hat from a little shop just down. It's a second-hand hat actually. I got it just down in Stockbridge and it cost me £8. And the suit is from Mango. Just waiting on a taxi and I'll keep you posted. Hopefully the girls will let me take some photographs of their beautiful outfits too. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Sincere thanks going to Richard, Sarah and Brian Parsons.
Oh, now after me saying that I would never go back to Ladies' Day, I got a last minute phone call last night just to say, would you like to come VIP to Musselburgh races now? So that's me going to Musselburgh races and I have had no time whatsoever to get ready. I bought this little dress in Mango when I was in Cannes. Got the shades, but even though they're saying it's going to be bucketing of rain, so I wasn't sure what to wear. I can't trust the weather forecast, honestly. So I've been to the hairdressers, got my hair done. Got a little yellow thing in it, a wee flower, and it's pleated at the back. Go and get false eyelashes and get somebody to put them in. I put my makeup on this morning about 8 o'clock and just touched it up now. Do I look okay for Ladies' Day? I've so short notice. I'll show you my little jacket that I've got as well. Hold on a wee second. Wait. Now I don't know how I'm going to do this. Liking it, the finished article. So I'm all in white, and if it does rain then I guess I'm going to be looking, well, my shoes are going to get in a very big state. I think I've gave you a bit of a headache with pushing that camera back and forward like that. So that's the hat. I could put the little veil over it. Do you like it? Is it quite chic? This jacket is really warm, but because it's, well, I don't know if it was going to be any good for the rain. Got layers there that I can take off and get myself sorted for evening as well. If it gets cold then I've got a little jacket. But right now it's the shades, I think. So let me put that back up like this. Not too bad with the makeup. I've done it myself, so I can't complain. A little bit of brown of the Too Faced and brown and peach. A little bit eyeliner. The girl put the eyelashes on for me. So that's me away. Keep you posted, guys. Listen, if you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe to the videos. And it's just Total Evelyn, so just subscribe, like and share, and I really would appreciate that. And I will comment, honestly, it's me that comments, not anybody else. So I am off now. I must go and meet everyone past 11, and we're getting picked up at 11:30 this time. It's going to be better than what it was in the Kelso races because that was just a nightmare, making us queue and everything. We've got the VIP here in the Musselburgh races. Therefore, I'm just giving you a little look. My little white shoes. These were only out in New Look, these shoes. I've just bought them. And the dress is Mango. The little jacket's from Debenhams. And the hat, as you know, second-hand hat, £8 down in Stockbridge. Okay, I am going, and I hope you have a good weekend too, and I'll keep you posted. There's going to be a lot of fun today. Bye!
What's your name?
All right. Number 75.